What's a road trip without sunflower seeds? If you watch my other videos, you know I'm trying not to use any plastic, and I've got sunflowers growing in my yard, so I thought I'd just make my own sunflower seeds for the road. And this is how you do it. First thing I did was cut my sunflowers and I let them sit on my porch a couple days to dry out. The drier they were, the easier it was to get all the seeds off. Next step is rubbing all this stuff off to get to the seeds. I don't want to Google what that is. Flower stuff. Just rub it off. Rubbity rub 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 rub. See, there's a seed right there. That's already a lot of seeds. And then there's another one. Just rub it all off. And get it good. Get as much off as you can. Go around the edges. Hum a little. Sing a song. So many sunflower seeds. And check it out. There's a close-up view. Yep, a lot of seeds. That's like a bag right there. After that, you just start pulling the seeds off. And it takes a little while, so I'll speed this up. And yeah, just rub them off. Start at one spot and there you go. Blah blah blah. Take the seeds off next. Just rip them off. I'm gonna start eating some sunflower seeds to make this even more weird. Next I washed my seeds off to get all the stink bug poop off, and oh my god, that's hot! Ah! Next you want to get a pot and boil some water. Throw in some salt and throw in your sunflower seeds. My only tip on this is that the sunflower seeds float, so you want to leave some room at the top because mine was going to overflow, so I had to pour some water out. Let them boil for like a minute, then turn down the heat and let those seeds simmer in there for about 20 minutes. Next you drain out the water and spread the seeds on a baking pan. Fun. Then pop it into the oven. Whoopsh! Set your oven to 400 degrees and set them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you probably want to check them to see if they're nice and crispy. If you think they need to go a little longer, just check them every couple minutes. You don't want them to burn. They burn quick. Anyway, that's all it takes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. My final tip is to let the sunflower seeds cool off a little bit before you throw them in a metal container and go on the road for 3 days because the heat created a little moisture and that created a little mold, and I have to throw away a whole 10 of my sunflower seeds, and that's not good. Anyway, it turned out pretty good, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Go make some sunflower flades. Subscribe, share, call your mom, tell your mom to subscribe, and the end. Goodbye.